Hi, my name's Monica. I live in Alpharetta with my husband, and we were wanting to tackle redoing our kitchen, just the counter and the backsplash to put our house on the market. And we had a pretty quick turnaround that we had to deal with. And we found Tile Pro online. And right off the bat, we were so happy with the way Andrea dealt with us. She got back to us right away, and she was really, really easy to work with, really personable. And we felt like we were in good hands, especially after looking at their website and their testimonials. Our job is not a huge one, but backsplashes make a big difference, so we knew we wanted to redo it. And we were actually working with a third party that was going to cover the costs until after the sale of our home. So there was paperwork involved. And even though it was a small job, Andrea was totally amenable to working with us, and they turned it around really quickly. The guys did a great job. They were really professional, and the tiles are all flat. Like, it's a beautiful, beautiful job that they did, and it helped us to sell our home. So could not be more grateful, and would definitely recommend Tile Pro.